The blinking status light on your Honeywell water heater is a crucial diagnostic tool that communicates the heater's operational status and potential problems through coded blink patterns. Normal operation is indicated by either a steady light or one blink every 3 seconds. This tells you your water heater is functioning properly. The error code system is simple. The number of blinks corresponds to a specific problem. This allows for quick and accurate troubleshooting of your water heater. Here are the most common error codes you'll encounter with your Honeywell water heater. Each code indicates a specific issue that needs attention. One blink indicates the pilot light is not lit or has gone out. Two blinks mean low thermopile voltage, often due to loose wiring or a failing thermopile. Three blinks indicate draft issues or flammable vapor sensor activation. Four blinks mean excessive tank temperature, which could indicate a faulty thermostat. Five blinks indicate sensor failure requiring replacement. Seven blinks mean gas control valve failure, and eight blinks indicate a power-off failure requiring system reset. Understanding these status light codes is crucial for effective maintenance and preventing unexpected breakdowns. The diagnostic system helps you identify problems quickly and take appropriate action. When your Honeywell water heater shows error codes, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue safely. Step 1. Check the pilot light. This is the most common issue and often the easiest to fix. The pilot light should have a steady blue flame. Step 2. Inspect the thermopile and wiring connections. The thermopile generates electricity from the pilot flame to power the gas control valve. Check for loose connections and ensure it's clean. Step 3. Address overheating issues. If your water heater shows 4 blinks indicating excessive temperature, lower the thermostat setting and flush the tank to remove sediment buildup. Step 4. For sensor-related issues indicated by 5 blinks, visually inspect the temperature sensor for damage such as cracks or corrosion, then clean it gently with a descaling solution. Step 5. Reset the system and check electrical connections. Turn off power for a few minutes, then restore it. Ensure all wiring connections are secure and properly terminated. Finally, know when to call professionals or consider replacement. If issues persist after troubleshooting, or if your water heater is over 13 years old, it may be more cost-effective to replace rather than repair.